Welcome to Jamaica.
Said down under bullet, but we're bullet for runway 7, Southwest 272.
Clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, Southwest 272.
Runway 7, Southwest 272.
That's 272 on time 36, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7, wind clear.
We're turning right at Bravo, go to ground, Southwest 272.
Tower, Spirit Wings 833, RNT, runway 7.
33, thanks to tower. Continue approach, runway 07.
Approach for runway 07, Spirit Wings 833.
Spirit Wings 833, clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
To land, runway 07, Spirit Wings 833.
33, traffic, Cessna 206 departing station now proceeding westbound, will be north and clear for the approach, climbing to 2,000 feet.
Copy, Spirit Wings 833.
Julia, report traffic inside.
Inside.
Two 905, thanks to tower.
295. 295.
Roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
07 American 3295.
Airborne at 38, contact radar 124.0, see you.
00, good there,
Three on time 41, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7, wind clear.
Oh, vacate. Okay.
Three 2905, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Yeah, runway 07 American 3295. 1163.
United 1163, thanks to Tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07.
United 1163.
One 163, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
07, United 1163.
Tower Hotel Kilo 5429er, Usain.
3 on time 50, vacate right on Alpha. 121.7, wind clear. 5429er, thanks to Tower, continue approach runway 07.
107 Hotel Kilo 5429.
163, roger. Made a 180, exit Alpha. Nine 43 Tower. Ready for departure.
2943.
American 2943, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots, no delay on the roll.
No delay, clear for takeoff, runway 07. American 2943.
Kilo 5429er, tower.
845429er.
Parking at the west ramp for the FBO today.
We're gonna go to FBO, the Kilo 5429er.
Long to vacate taxiway Bravo.
Long has the taxiway Bravo, the Kilo 5429er.
Jet 2566 is on the RNP 07.
Westjet 2566, Sanctuary Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Sorry, you broke up there. Can you say that again for 2566?
566, continue approach runway 07.
Approach, Westjet 2566.
Kilo 5429er, wind 080 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Way 07 at the Kilo 5429er.
Airborne at 55, contact radar 124.0, good day.
American 29er43, good day, buen dia.
The 208 for 1 mile final, minimum for speed.
Slow on the minimum now, Westjet 2566.
On time 58, expedite vacating taxiway Bravo. When clear, contact ground 121.7. 2566, expedite landing clearance momentarily. Traffic vacating.
Check.
Five 666, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Okay, clear land 07, Westjet 2566.
Two 566, 59er, vacate via taxiway Alpha. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
6 Yankee Juliet November Lima, holding short on 07 on Delta.
6 Yankee Juliet November Lima, Sanctuary Tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 07, intersection Delta.
07 intersection Delta, 6 Yankee Juliet November Lima.
Lima, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 15 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, copy wind 6 November Lima.
Lima airborne at 01, contact radar 124.0, good day.
Radar 124.0, 6 November Lima, good day.